Okay, para sa reference nyo, para sa chain rule. So, let's have this example. So, for example, I have y is equal to 2x minus 4 x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. Okay? So, dito pala, makikita nyo na guys na gagamitan nyo to guys ng product rule. So, magle-let tayo. Let u is equal to 2x minus 4. So, i-derive natin yung u. So, derivative ng u with respect to x is 2. Okay? And then, itong isa namang part, yung ating v. V is equal to x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. So, ito, gagamitan nyo to ng chain rule. So, yung derivative ng b with respect to x is baba yung exponent, 4, multiply din sa base natin, x cubed plus 2, babawasan ng 1 yung exponent, so raised to 3, then i-derive natin yung nasa loob. So, yung derivative na nasa loob is 3x squared. So, pwede pa natin to guys pasimplihin, dv over dx is equal to 4 times 3 is 12, tapos kasama ni 3x, ni 3 is yung x squared. So, 12x squared siya. Multiplied 2x cubed plus 2 raised to 3. Okay? Then, dun yun na i-apply guys yung process natin kapag ka nagde-derivative tayo ng products. So, or ng dalawang terms na nakamultiply. So, di ba, remember, the derivative of u times v is equal to u dv plus v du, or pwede ring baliktad, v du plus u dv. Okay lang sa akin kahit ano dyan. So, ngayon, i-derive na natin siya. Of course, dapat since naka-equate siya sa y, so y prime, okay, y prime is equal to, so hanapin natin yung u is 2x minus 4, u dv. So, ang derivative ng v mo is 12x squared times x cubed plus 2 raised to 3 plus v du. So, ito yung v natin, x cubed plus 2 raised to 4, and derivative ng u is just 2. Okay. Ngayon, isi-simplify natin yung mga bagay-bagay. So, y prime is equal to 2x minus 4 times 12x squared. Ito lang muna. So, 12 times 2 is 24x cubed. So, 12 times negative 4 is negative 48x squared. Okay, then, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Huwag kakalimutan. So, ito pa lang guys yung minultiply nyo. Itong part lang na to. Okay, so ito yon. Ngayon, punta ka dun sa natira. So, meron natirang x cubed plus 2 raised to 3 plus x cubed plus 2 raised to 4 tapos times 2. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung tinatanong niya sa akin. Ang gagawin natin guys is if factor out natin tong nasa loob. So, dito sa loob, hanap ka may mas mababang exponent. So, dito, pareho silang may x cubed plus 2 raised to 3. Okay? Ito, x cubed plus 2 raised to 4. So, mas mababa yung exponent na to, kaya yun yung ifa-factor out nyo sa labas. So, isusulat ko lang muna, y prime is equal to, so lagay nyo yung x cubed plus 2 raised to 3. Okay? Finactor out nyo na siya. Ngayon, dahil finactor out nyo na siya, ang matitira dito sa first part is just 24x cubed minus 48x squared. Okay? Lagyan natin ng parenthesis para hindi kayo malito. Plus, so dito guys, pansin nyo, since ang kinuha nyo lang is hanggang tatlong terms na nakamultiply na x cubed plus 2, so dito may matitira kang isa. So dito, magkakaroon ka pa din ng x cubed plus 2, pero raised to 1 na lang siya. Okay? Kasi 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Nabawasan siya ng isang x cubed plus 2 multiplied by 2. Okay? Ngayon, isi-simplify pa natin siya. Y prime is equal to x cubed plus 2 raised to 3. Ito yung finactor out mo. Multiplied to 24x, sige, simplify mo natin. 24x cubed minus 48x squared. plus, so 2 times x cube is 2x cube. 2 plus 2 is, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? Then, simplify pa din natin. X cube plus 2 raised to 3 multiplied to, ayan. So, hanapin mo yung may mga like terms. So, ito, pareho silang, okay, pareho silang x cube yung kasama ng number. So, pag-a-addin natin sila. 24 plus 2 is 26x cube. Then, wala nang ibang x squared. So, lagay lang natin, copy lang natin. Minus 48x squared plus 4. Okay? So, ngayon, dahil wala ka nang need na i-multiply, wala ka nang need i-simplify. So, this would be your answer. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Hope this helps.